श्री भक्ति कृष्ण स्वामी महाराज। वंदेहम श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं श्रीदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम्। भवे भवे तथा भक्ति पादयोः सर्वजायते तथा कुरुष्व देवेश नाथस्त्वं नो यतः प्रभो। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनं तं नमामि हरिं परं। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। First of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace, Ittalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotra Satasla Sri Bhakti Hapari Goswami Maharaj, Ittalila Prishtasla Bhakti Jivana Janardana Goswami Maharaj, Ittalila Prishtasla Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, all our Guru Vargas, Parampracharyas, with all associates, Nitya-Leela Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada. Again and again we pray their causeless mercy. Same time I offer my respect and love to all devotees, Vaishnavas who are participating in online program. By the mercy of Sri Purushottam Bhagavan, in this month we observed to this Bhagavatam Katha, Harikatha festival with Uddhava Sandesh, which is written Srila Rupa Goswami from Srimad Bhagavatam. We enter to release the pastimes of the Supreme Lord, both in separation mode and also in Harikatha. Where is a Harikatha? Everything is there. By Katha, we can release all rasas, which is not in physical, with practical, but in Katha we can enjoy all rasas. So there, according our discussion, all together, Gopas, Gopis, also friends and Sakhis, other children, all together. When Uddhava came, by Krishna's this transcendental love message, again, who are suffering by the fire of Krishna's separation, by Krishna's mercy, by his katha, which come by Uddhav, the cloud of Krishna's transcendental love brought by air of Uddhav and showering, raining in the heart of Vrindavan's inhabitants, again they revive their life, their pleasure, then they continue hearing the katha. So yesterday we were discussing from Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 11th chapter. After these true trees, Arjuna trees, held down by Krishna's mercy, Nala Kubera and Manigriva, two brothers, son of Kubera, when they free from their curse from Narada, but the old Gopas, they very seriously entered to understand, search to understand why this tree fall down. Then all the playmates of Krishna, Siddhama, Subala, Stoka Krishna, all others, Madhumangala there, they told Krishna, pull this motor. Then he crashed entered the trees and fell down. And the two divine persons came out, they talked with him. We saw this. They wanted to push through old man. Then they told him, you are mad, these boys. How can do one boy? He cannot pull these trees in 1,000 years, he's staying there. Many times the children, they told all the truth, but no one believed them. They told something is happened. Then one Nanda Maharaj's elder brother, Upananda, he called meeting. Then they decided this place is not safe for our children, mostly for Krishna and Balaram. Then they discuss about past, how Putana came to kill him. By Narayana's blessings, he saved Putana dead. Again this bullock cart without reason fell down. They don't know Krishna kicked the cart. They took all the discussion. Also they again discuss about this whirlwind Trunavarta. How it came and took Krishna by mercy of Lord Narayana. He fell down on a rock and he died, but Krishna was saved. Now this tree is nothing, any reason, no raining, no any cyclone, nothing is there, fell down, and many children, our all children are there. By the mercy of Narayana, no one hurt. But this is very serious. To save for our children, mostly for Krishna, we should change to go a safer place. Then he told, proposal, Vrindavan, little near up there, Gokul and Nandiswara, Vrindavana is there. There is Yamuna there and Govardhana there for our cows. There are very green grasses there and sufficient water fountain there for drinking water. Yamuna also there and full of all nature. Better we go there. Then we there worship to Lord Narayan more, who saved us. His proposal all unanimously accepted, and they decided to move, and immediately they started to load in a bullock cart their paraphernalia, their all dress, other things. Then they organized to go there. Krishna and Balaram, they also sat in one cart where Rohini and Mother Jasoda both are there, and Balaram and Krishna also with them. They also started to move on one cart. In this way, all Vrindavan's inhabitants, Gopas, they started many music, their horn, they started to play. They have this bow and arrow, they also took to save for any other attack. And with this singing, dancing, they started from Gokul, Mohavan, to go to Vrindavan. So we will also follow to them. Then we entered to Vrindavana there. In the way, when Krishna Balaram were sitting in the bullock cart, that time Krishna, like 3 years, and Balaram also maybe few months, he is elder. So always they speak half words and don't speak full language. So they speak only half words. So that is very sweet to hear to Mother Jasoda and Rohini. So if they see some tree and fruit and bird and animal, they immediately ask Mother, what is this? So the mother spoke, oh, this is peacock. What is peacock? Why his head is this color? Why he is dancing? Then they ask, what is this fruit? What is this bird? What is this tree? Always they ask to mother, and they are very busy with them, to always to show them, to teach them what is this. In this way, they passed their time. In Gopala Champu, Srila Jiva Goswami has written very detailed there. In this way, they enter there. So we will go also with them to Vrindavana there. We will do Kirtan little and enter there. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Sri Govinda Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Sri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Radha Kunda Sham Kunda Giri Govardhan Kalindi Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahabal. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Shri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Om Premanandi Hari Jai Vrindavan Dham Ki Jai. So all the Vrindavans inhabitants with all bullock carts, with the cows, all they enter there and they organize to live like a half moon. The temporary, they stay there, all bullock carts they keep like a half moon and keep one place front for cows and they stay there, organize for their next to build their house. But now first they stay there like a tent. That time was bullock cart and they put something and they like live like a tent. This is the natural, the forest life, natural life there. There, after arriving there, Balaram and Krishna become very happy to see Vrindavan. Yogamaya Purnamasi, she organized for Krishna's pastime all Vrindadevi organized this like garden, beautiful there to stay always, no hot, no cold. This is air conditioned, all there. And every day, 6 seasons coming in morning time, it's winter season, little grow up, then spring season, then again come summer season, then rain season, autumn season, all in regarding Indian climate. 6 seasons every day, the nourishing to Vrindavan. And all 6 seasons, flowers, fruits, always on the tree, and the creepers. All kinds of birds there, animals there, and the Yamuna was very clean and very wide. The Yamuna, the bank there. So nice, beautiful place. Then Govardhan also there, many caves, fountains, and many lake there, pond there. So when everyone, Krishna was happy, and when they entered there, that time was 3 years. Krishna was pleasing everyone with his broken words. So everyone, gopis, they are happy. Then they stayed from there. They started to take care of calves. which calves they drink milk, they separate from cows. If they stay together with the calves, they drink all milk. So they say they separate calves. After drinking milk, cow will go to grazing grass, and these small calves, they separate from calves. Again, evening time, calves and cows, they together, then they started to milk. First they drink calves milk, then they take the milking the cows. This is the principle and service to cow and calves. Then the milk also become pure. Without taking calf, sucking milk, that milk is impure, because this blood actually comes by the milk, transformed to milk by their maternal affection. To calf, the feelings change the qualities. So nowadays in Kali Yuga, they have no such human become like demon. They don't allow to calves to drink milk. In India, there is some Vedic tradition, their culture there. So everyone, if you don't drink calf, that milk they don't use for pure things. Anyway, in Kali Yuga, everything is changing by different way. But there, Krishna and Balaram with his friends, they decided to take care of calf. 3 years age that time, near their Vrindavana, their house, they take the calves and they play there. Mother Yashoda, Nanda Baba and others, they did not allow to go outside because of mother's affection, some fear there. No, you should not go anywhere, you stay house. Krishna does not like to stay, he want to play with the playmates. So then Purnamasi, Yogamaya came and they discussed, no problem, your child, your son, have no problem, he can go. Convinced, then Mother Yashoda allowed, and all children together they organized to go. Every day they took their morning breakfast, then also they took some package for the midday, they can eat there, again they come. In this way, they started to, Sukadeva Goswami here told, Vishwapala Abhavat Vatshapalo, who is taking care, maintaining, protecting the universe, now he became Vatshapala. Vatsha means calves, to take care of calves. This is in Bhagavatam explained that Vishwapala became Vatshapala. So Krishna and Balaram, they started to go to forest. There is very beautiful explanation there from Sukadeva Goswami. All the calves, they are looks like crystal, white, small calves, no? And when they go, calves are jumping among them. One calf jumping to another calf is pushing them, they are pushing them. So calves are also playing with the Krishna also there. Then the cow had voice among them. They also very happy. They keep their food packets. Then they have also these musical instruments. Krishna started also flute and the horn, singa and venu, this flute. Then with their stick, he looks very beautiful, huh? Watching the Gopal, Vakshapala. Gopal again, when he became little more older, then he went to take care cows, then become a Gopal. Now he is Vakshapal, taking care of the calves only, small who are drinking milk. So here, every day, when they are going, they go to pick up fruits, big fruits of bell fruits, no? Then the bell fruits, they pick up and they play like a football with the fruits and this amalaki fruit, small fruit, they play with these fruits each other and they have like sporting, and with them monkeys also started to going with one tree to another trees because they have prasadam, no food. When they go to take, monkeys also surrounding there. They are waiting to take. So Krishna will distribute prasadam there. So the monkeys there, dogs there, also cats never go out in forest. So but dogs also go there, and all with nice, beautiful animals and birds, and with their company, they are sometimes singing, sometimes they throw stones to pick up the fruit. In this way, they started their Vrindavans, these pastimes there. One day, Kamsa sent one demon, and he became like he saw from distance. Oh, many calves and many children, they are coming. So he knows this Krishna and Balaram, he recognized them. Kamsa sent to kill them. Before Putana, Sakatasura and this Trunambarta, they did. Now he came, but after he came, he also little became, by Yogamaya, he also little interested to play with them. Very beautiful calves, this boys. So he also changed his body, become a calf, and entered to among the calves. But calves, they are also very sensitive. By smelling these demons, this demoniac, this smell, calves, when he entered to calves also running hither and thither. Human we cannot understand, animals they understand. If something is not favor, they immediately they understand. So calves they run hither thither. What happened? Krishna saw, and Balaram saw this. Why this calf is going everywhere? The calves are running hither thither. Fearful. Then they saw this demon. he came to and entered to the cup. Then Krishna did not say anything and they silent. Okay, he came to enjoying some game here. So he was waiting. Then without anything, Krishna doesn't know anything, like some bewildered. He entered and there near. When he had entered there near this demon, he became cup. He caught his tail and the leg. One leg, the tail, backside tail, and the legs, two legs from the backside. Then he started to moving like wheel, no, like chakra. This is moving. All they are out of boys. This, what are you doing, Krishna? Why you are killing this calf? By then, when Krishna was moving, all his many lives of this birth and death, all sinful activities. Once Krishna move one time, one life of sin finish. So many times, many births he was moving. When he completely finished everything, he became pure. Then so he threw him to the space. When he threw him, the soul came out from his body, and so the soul go to the heavenly planet. Enter the soul to Svargaloka, heavenly Svargaloka, Janaloka, Tapaloka, Mahaloka, Satyaloka, and go to Vaikunta planet. Krishna gave liberation to the soul, and his body became very big. His demon's body came out and fell down one tree. That name is Kapitha tree. This Kapitha fruit, one there. That tree, the fell down his body. So many, this tree also broken half by his body, but many fruits fell down. So when they saw Madhumangala and Sudama, Subala, they come and told, Krishna, what you have done? This is a demon. He became like a calf. How you know him? How you kill him? You are very hero, very strong. They praise to Krishna. You are here, so you have no fear. Then they brought many these fruits, kapitha fruits, and they offered to Kanna, you eat this. They make feast there. This kapitha is little stringent. Taste. Elephant they like, they eat this more. And they make chutney also, these fruits. So he killed this demon, Vatshasura his name. In this way, that day when they return to house, after they go to Yamuna, near Yamuna there, and offer water to calves, they eat and they again they come to Vrindavan. They explain about how Krishna killed this demon. So many, all the Vrindavans, Gopas and the others, they went to see how this demon was dead, and they understood, oh, Narayana is with us, so he is saving us. In this way, they construct this Narayana's temple there, and they more worship, keeping Narayana the salagram, then giving charity every day. All they make arati and all they come and they offer to serve to them flowers, fruits, and milk, and all ghee they offer, and they praised Sandilya Muni there. All the Brahmins, they also living near to them. In this way, in Vrindavan, this pastime was going on. After this demon dead, again Kamsa sent to Bakasura. Bakasura was the brother of Putana. Putana have two brothers. One is Bakasura, another is Aghasura. Aghasura will come later. First Bakasura came. Bakasura is, Baka means cane, crane. So one day they were just playing in a forest Vrindavan and going to take care in near Yamuna, the pond there, to drink water, all calves there and children also there. Then they saw there this demon, crane Bakasura. He looks like the top of mountain, very big, just looks very big and very, what is this is so big, and he was keeping his peak inside. And they went there, what is this? It's very big, very white. Huh? They are very interested for that, to know this. And when they reached there, and Balaram also there, Krishna also there, when Krishna go to near to see him, immediate he swallow him to Krishna. Immediately he took. They are very, these birds you see, they are silently they tell it, but any some insect, fish or something, immediately catch it. So immediately he swallowed to Krishna. And Krishna entered his body. So then all the Balaram and other boys, they started to cry. Balaram also became very sad there. He knows, still by brotherly affection, young brother, so Balaram has together mixed with friendship mood, also Vatsalya Rasa with parental mood, and also servitude mood together. So here he has also brotherly affection to him. But when entered Krishna inside there, immediately Krishna started to create electric fire from there. When started inside the fire, then Bakasura in demons started suffering inside there. Then he want to vomit and again vomit Krishna. So Krishna again came out. Oh, then our children said, they called Krishna, come out. The immediate again by his peak he is attacked to Krishna. But Krishna took its two parts of his peak and broke this. He made two parts in all his body, very big. Two parts, he broke this. So, Bolo Bakasura Nidhana ki jai. This demon of Bakasura was killed, and Krishna sent him to also Vaikuntha planet. He got also liberation. This is the Krishna's pastime. No other incarnations have done such pastimes the demons, he gave Hatari Gatidayaka. Whom he killed, he gave them liberation. Because if that demons, if stay now in Kali Yuga, maybe Kali Yuga finish more. Because those demons, they don't care for any weapons. They have, in Mahabharata, after finish the war, Krishna told to Arjuna, Arjuna, how you killed now these kings, but I killed before many such demons. They change their form, their body. They have such mystic power. They can do anything, no weapons can catch them. But I killed before them. Otherwise, in this war, Mahabharata war, very difficult to you to kill them. He told this in Mahabharata there. So Krishna now, with playing, he killed one demons, no weapons there, no big war there, but just like they are playing, he killed two Bakasura, and they also free from their all bondage of karma. In this way, when they came to Vrindavan, again the children, they told, oh, one big crane there, and he swallowed to Krishna, and Krishna came out. And then again they took this. So Uddhava also was going with them, with now the children, and Uddhava go to see where Krishna killed Vatshasura, how Krishna was going to forest. Uddhava also now joined with the boys. They also decorated to Uddhava like same like their dress. Uddhava give up their his the dress like he was a prince, no, like he is coming from the royal family. Now he became also Gopal, Bachapal. So all they decorated him same. So Uddhav also took this food with all Vrindavan's inhabitants. They go there where Krishna killed the Vachasura, the demon. Then he went to again to see where Krishna killed to Bakasura there in our parikrama surrounding when we go where Krishna killed Bakasura and all this forest go to move. Same with Uddhava. They went there with the music, with dancing, all gopis and gopas, because all Radharani and all Shakhis, they don't know about this, the pastimes when Krishna was playing, killing all these demons. Now they join with them, with Uddhava, all together. They went there and they heard this katha, and Uddhava know that Krishna killed to Bakasura and all others, Bachasura others, but he never heard detail how Krishna killed them, how was Krishna doing there. So in this pastimes, Uddhava was part of this pastime, and he entered that place, sit there, and heard from them with friends how they killed them. Then they scolded to Uddhava. Uddhava, you know how Krishna was with us, how he was playing with us. You don't know this, come we will play. So they drag to Uddhava also to play how they are playing there. And every day they also acting to follow the Ramachandra's Leela. They One became Sita, one became Ravana, one became Lakshmana. So Krishna's time, they were also playing Ramayana Leela. Near Bhandirawat, when they go there, they also make one like bridge. They bring big stones and put in the Yamuna. They make their like Lanka there, so they can go there and they killed there. Bhagavatam has it, Setu Bandhadi Bhi. He was playing there in Ramayana, Krishna Balaram there. So Balaram which was Lakshmana. So they remember this, and Subala became Sita, and Madhumangala became Hanuman. So all they together make these pastimes of Ramayana there. So Uddhava went there, and he saw there where in near Bhandiravat they were playing the acting like drama from the Ramayan's drama, and sometimes like Nrsimha and Prahlada's pastimes and Dhruva Maharaj's pastimes in Vrindavan with these children. They every day they play new the pastimes there. So they took to Uddhava there and they explained this what they were doing there. Same time they again Krishna's now absent there, they started to cry. We are now, what we will do? If some demon come, no one, we are saved here. Krishna is with him. He's left us, how we can survive. Uddhava, you know how we were there. You don't say this again, that he has no father, no mother, no friend, no enemies, and he is nothing. Don't say this. You see, he has friends, we are. How he loves us, how he loves to father and mother, how he loves to all these Vrindavan inhabitants and the cows, calves. He loves so much to calves. Every cow come and they start to play with Krishna. This is the Vachapala, Vishwapala Vachapala. Vishwapala means who is the maintaining, protecting the universe. He is now Vachapala, taking care to calves. In this way, they started to pass time their beautiful way with a crowd voice every day, different place they go to play. Then next time will come Aghasura, the brother of the Putana. One brother Bakasura, another brother was Aghasura, the big snake. This was related to also Brahma's, the Vatshaharana, how Brahma took all the calves and boys. This is also very secret and interesting pastime, how he killed to Aghasura. This is take little time. So tomorrow we will discuss this demon, how he killed to Aghasura and how he saved to from Brahma also. Take care. This is take time to discuss more. So tomorrow we will go to discuss. Now with Uddhava, all gopis and shakhas and shakhis and others, they enjoying these pastimes of Krishna's Vachapala pastimes when he was 3 years, 4 years. So we will continue to hearing again tomorrow. Now they did some kirtan and feast with Uddhav, with Harikatha function, Harikatha festival. बोल गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा रमन हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल। वृंदावन धाम की जय। जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गिरिधारी जी की जय। विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर महाराज की जय। आनंद कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। सब पार्षद प्रभुपाद की जय। पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय। पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय। व्रतकारी भक्त वृंद की जय। हरि कथा उत्सव की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। महाराज की
जय गुरुदेव।
धन्यवाद महाराज।
जय गुरुदेव, जय सिद्धांति महाराज, साधु महाराज, धन्यवाद।
Jai Putana brothers. Jai Putana brothers.
जय धन्यवाद प्रणाम महाराज की जय।
You can see.
Yes. हरि बोल। सिद्धांत महाराज
जय धन्यवाद गुरुदेव, साधु महाराज की जय।
Just last week of Purushottam Vrat. Jai Hari Bol. Dhanyavad pranam.
देव जय लोकानंद बाबा की जय।